What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Carta Plate Armor in Crimson Desert. If you're going for a light armor fashion, or if you're planning to complete the Carta set, then you're gonna need this Carta Plate Armor. The armor provides 10 points in defense, but it's got no extra bonuses. It does have 3 vacant Abyss gear slots you can freely customize to your liking. You can find this armor below the letter D of Delesia. Zoom in and you'll see it's just to the southwest of the Rustfield scrapyard, exactly where my waypoint is at. When you go to where I placed the X mark, you'll see this tall building. The chest is inside of it. To get in, you'll have to climb up to this balcony to its side. Just enter through the door there and you'll find the chest in the building. Find your way around, loot the chest, and you've got your Sand Assassin cosplay free of charge. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.